Good morning friends. Today we will discuss about third module of RBT subject, tunnel engineering. What is tunnel? A tunnel is an engineering structure, artificial gallery, passage or roadway beneath the ground, under the bed of stream or through a hill or mountain. Tunnel is a passage, underground passage. It is without disturbing of soil or other ground. A tunnel is constructed without removing the overlying rock or soil. May be used for transportation of passenger, freight, water, gas or sewage, etc. Open cut. Open cut is open to sky, excavated through a huge soil mass of obstacle like hill run in required direction to connect to roads or railway. The passage of open cut is directly contact with the atmosphere. Necessity of tunnel: to allow rapid and unobstructed transport facilities in a big congested cities, to avoid acquisition of valuable land, to avoid long circulation route around a mountain or a spur, to avoid sliding of open cut sites in a softer soil, to connect two terminal stations separated by a mountain, to divert water for generation of power, to carry a public utility service like oil, gas, water, etc. across a stream or a mountain, to avoid steep gradient in mountains and thereby maintain a high speed when the provision of a bridge over the river is costlier and inconvenient. It is preferred on a route of strategic importance because a tunnel is hidden in a ground. To save a maintenance cost which is generally lesser for a tunnel when compared to a bridge or an open cut. We are know that the construction cost of a tunnel is more than a construction cost of open cut, but maintenance cost of a tunnel is lesser than open cut. Advantage of tunnel: tunnel are more economical than open cuts beyond 18-meter depth. If the depth of ground or hill is beyond than 18 meter, then we cannot construct open cut, but we can construct tunnel along through hills. Tunnel avoid disturbing or interfering with the surface life and traffic during construction. For carrying public utilities like water, gas, railway lines, roads across a stream or mountain, tunnel are cheaper than bridge or open cut. Tunnel avoid the dangerous open cut adjacent to the structure. Tunnel avoid traffic congestion and provide rapid transportation in crowded cities. Tunnel connect two terminal stations by shortest route. Tunnel carry water to generate power. If tunnels are provided with easy gradient, the cost of hauling is decreased. Tunnel provide protection from bombing during aerial warfare. Tunnel avoid acquisition of costly land property. Tunnel provide protection against weathering agency like wind, rain, sun, etc. Disadvantages of tunnel: the initial cost of construction of tunnel is high as compared to an open cut. Construction of tunnels require long time in completing as compared to a open cut. Because the construction of tunnel is a major civil engineering project, specialized equipment and methods are required. It is necessary to have a skilled labor and technical supervision of high order for the construction of tunnel. Advantages of open cut: smaller construction cost as compared to a tunnels, lesser time required in construction. Disadvantage of open cut: it will require greater length due to approaches. It require higher maintenance cost for railway and highway. It is not at all safe during aerial warfare because it is open to the sky or open to the atmosphere. Open cut adjacent to the facility are dangerous. Necessity of employing larger locomotive due to grades, because open cut is lying along the natural ground slope, they having more gradient than tunnels. Highway pavement is Highway payments in open cut are affected by the adverse action of weathering agency because it is directly exposed in the atmosphere. Classification of tunnel. Generally, tunnel is classified into three groups based on purpose, based on material used, based on position or alignment. Based on purpose, the tunnel is constructed for which purpose, it is directly classified as a based on purpose. Highway tunnel, railway tunnel, pedestrian tunnel, navigation tunnel, subway tunnel. These tunnel are used for traffic carry out for traffic. That's why these are known as a traffic tunnel. If the tunnels are constructed for a conveyance purpose, the tunnels are classified as a water supply tunnel, hydroelectric tunnel, sewer tunnel, tunnel for carrying public utility service, tunnel for serving industry. Based on material, which type of material used for constructing a tunnel? A tunnel in hard rock, tunnel in soft rock, tunnel in quicksand, open cut tunnel, submarine tunnels. These 5 types of tunnel is classified based as a classifier of material. Classification based on alignment. Saddle and end base tunnel. Saddle and end base tunnels means tunnel are constructed along the natural slope of the ground. Spiral tunnel. Spiral tunnel are provided in a narrow valley where narrow valley present and we want to construct a tunnel, then we can provide a spiral tunnel in a natural valley. In these tunnels, the initial length for a minimum permissible radius is obtained by forming a loop into the interior of a mountain. Off-spur tunnel. These are the short length tunnel which are constructed to cut minor local obstacles. Slope tunnel. These tunnels are constructed in a steep mountain to ensure safety in operation and protection to railway or highway. Shape of tunnel. Generally, 6 shape of tunnels are considered for constructing a tunnel. First one is a circular shape. Circular tunnel is provided in a soft or firmly ground because the resultant force of the existing ground becomes zero. It provides the largest cross sectional area for a less perimeter. We know that the same perimeter of ellipse and circle we have a maximum cross sectional area in circle. It is most suitable for carrying water and sewage. Best suited in a non-cohesive soil. Also suitable for tunnels driven by a sealed method. Disadvantage of circular tunnel: it is require a lot of filling for railway and roadway. This shape is more difficult for placement of concrete lining. Egg-shaped tunnel. Egg having less cross-sectional area at a base. The section have a narrower cross-section at the bottom. They are best suited for carrying sewage, water, etc. They maintain self-cleansing velocity of flow of sewage both in dry and rainy season. Circular wall resist external and internal pressure. Horseshoe tunnel. Horseshoe represent a compromise between arc tunnel and circular tunnel and have become quite popular. The floor of tunnel is flat enough to give a working space to contractor. They are suitable in a soft rock. They are most popular as a traffic tunnel for road and railway. These tunnels also are difficult to construct. Segmental tunnel. Segmental tunnels may inwardly roof is segment of circle, sides are vertical with a flat floor. Segmental tunnel is an inverted U-shaped tunnel commonly used in subway or navigation purpose. These tunnels require comparatively thick lining. They are easy to construct, means segmental tunnels are constructed easily. Elliptical section. They are used in the ground softer than a rock. In order to have a better resistance to external pressure, these tunnels serve as a water and sewage conduit. They cannot be used traffic tunnel because of their narrower base, because narrower base means the major axis of the elliptical shape is quite vertical. Thank you for watching.